Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Jay. Actually, I have a pharmacy background from India and have some experience in the pharmacy. This is my second program here. I'm an international student, and the first one I did is the regulatory affairs. So I had to choose a program for my second course. So after looking some courses in other colleges also, but my experience is that when I went through the regulatory affairs program, all our professors are like professionals. They're really they're working full time and they're teaching us. So they brought us their hands-on work experience, and their teaching helped us to get ready for the job market. So when it comes for the second program, I have looked at different programs, but in different colleges, but they aren't so exciting for me. So I had to choose the community pharmacy assistant program because I want to work here in the community pharmacy only. So I enrolled in this program, and right now I am in the second semester. And the most exciting part, and which made me to choose the program, is the co-op placement at the end of the term. And as our professor Sue has showed us the lab, everything is exactly like that, like 100%. We have the state-of-art labs. Whatever work we are learning and they are teaching us, our professors are very well experienced in their jobs working as technicians and pharmacists all. They bring on their real life experience and just teach us exactly how we have to work when we go to the job. So we having good experience in our labs, in dispensing lab and in compounding lab, just like they are like same at all the time. So with their professors' knowledge, we are gaining the whatever we need for the job placement. So the most exciting part would be going to the co-op after this program. It will help you to get ready for the job placement. And also, this program is in alignment with the PGWP aligned courses according to the IRCC. So it will help most of the international students to secure a job because this program is in most demand right now. So if you go into the co-op placement, you will get the Canadian experience, which is very useful for you to land a job as soon as you finish your co-op. So I would suggest any international pharmacists who want to become pharmacy professionals to go through to pursue pharmacy, community pharmacy assistant, pharmacy technician program. It is very good here, and I would like to welcome anybody who wants to study here. And thank you.
This is my second course, and I'm an international student from India and have bachelor's in pharmacy. As soon as I've come here, I thought of like you can work as a pharmacy assistant, but then I've tried applying to places, and it is completely different from what I've learned back at home. And I wasn't confident even to go and apply. It's because this is a healthcare opportunity and you can't just go and do some mistakes and errors there. I wasn't pretty confident, but then later when I've searched for courses and I found this course, and then seeing the labs is just like you've seen the pictures, right? So I'm gonna tell you about what is it like to work in the labs and to see how it is like the practical experiences. In the labs, we get a prescription just like how you get in a pharmacy, and then you need to process it just like how you do there. There are like different sites, and the dispensing procedure here is completely different compared to what you might have learned, what I have learned in the international one. It is completely new. And then in the retail lab, you have seen the drug wall, right? So in there, you need to go and pick up the drugs and then scan the drugs. That's what it kind of replicates what you have in the pharmacy. So now I'm like pretty confident, like, even to go and apply to the jobs. And the last one would be like, who wouldn't love a job placement? And the faculty here are exceptional. I would say like they get the experiences. They're like super experienced. Like most of them are like pharmacists or who have been working in pharmacies for like 15, 20 years, and they bring their experiences and their stories. You learn from the experiences. They ask you the questions like, this is how, what would you do in this situation if something comes up and everything. It always mimics the real world scenarios and everything. Last one would be the co-op. I'm kind of excited for the placement as I'm pretty confident now and see how it goes. So, yep, thank you.